There was an invitation to go to a prayer breakfast. And walking in, I saw one of our dear friends and one of the best allies in this whole process, Dave Winters, a Black Dagger Military Hunt Club. And he said, "How are you doing? How was the hurricane?" And I said, "You know, we're doing all right, but we lost our roof." And then he goes, "Wait a second." He goes to his cell phone and he called Kent and said, "I know you wanted to do something for a vet. How about a Gold Star family?" He said, "Absolutely."
When we started the company, me and my wife decided one of the things we wanted to do is give back to the veteran community, and we got involved with some of the Gold Star family members, so we're just very privileged to be able to give back to them any way we can.
Heard about this project a few months back when Rob DeHaan called me about the Gold Star family and what it means to him and how he's been involved with it. He really didn't have to say much. I just kind of said, "Yep, whatever you need to do."
Many of you may or may not know Polyglass has manufacturing operations and a headquarters based in Florida. So not only do we really understand what it's like to, manufacture products that have to withstand these conditions, many of our employees and their families live in these communities, so it's really exciting for us to be able to give back and support the Florida community, and this is a great project for that.
Brandon Roofing is a predominantly re-roofing company that we opened up a few years ago to complement our new construction company. So Rob approached me and pretty much told me the story of Chris and Josh and said they had some roof damage during the hurricane and they were looking for some help, and we were more than happy to step in.
My son was an Army Ranger. In the Ranger language, they quote Isaiah 6, "Who will stand for me? Who will send? Here I am, send me." Every Ranger believes that. And for about 5 years, it's been 17 now since we lost Josh, but for 5 years I said I could always process he was willing to die for his country.
Josh just had a huge, huge heart. He meant business, but his business was only because he wanted to make sure the guys were at their top level so that they got their job done and stay safe.
We really like Polyglass products, and really our goal at Brandon Roofing is to put on the best roof possible. We don't ever want to have to go back to the job, and I know the quality is there with Polyglass.
Polyglass's components and everything that they have to offer, we really couldn't do anything without them as far as the underlayment goes for shingles. They've been a very, very good partner to us.
When Alex on our team approached me about this opportunity, there was no question that Polyglass would love to partner in giving back to the community.
I would like to be a part of other community outworks with Rob and DH2 Builders. I try to be involved as much as I can.
We're part of the Black Dagger Military Hunt Club, and Dave, who runs it, he calls and says, "Hey, we have a need for this. We do what we can."
It's because of Josh, families like his, that gives us the opportunity to do what we do. So thank you.
It's amazing. It's wonderful, but that's not what's the most important. What's the most important are the connections that we make.
I really want to thank DH2, Brandon Roofing, SPEC Building Materials. These organizations have come together and made possible something that's really a special treat, because nobody asked, they offered. And that's a difference.